So the other day someone suggested that I do this. Why? Because it's cool. So I've got myself a Yuxin Little Magic. You know how it is. Pretty good cube. Bit of a budget cube. I wasn't going to destroy it again, but let's do this. Oh man, no, it's actually not too bad. A few pieces there. I think one of them, yeah, there it is. Piece there. Let's try and find all the pieces. So not too much damage, a couple of pieces fell out, but apart from that, I'm going to try this again. So we're going to go right through there this time. Okay, as you can see, yeah, that was a bit more carnage. Yeah, here's a few pieces. Oh man, that exploded. Oh, here's a piece fully intact. Oh, there's one here, one all the way out here. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Is there any more? Yes, there's one. All the way from over there. Crazy. Oh, there we go. Here's one. And there's one. Oh, I kind of expected them to split sort of like this. Just like half. There we go. Oh, and there's a bit of the core. You can see that. Nice. Completely broken. Oh. Here's a corner piece, completely fine. Look at that, just a stalk. Now check this out. I actually managed to find a piece here, right here, all the way next to the fence. Look how far away it is. That's the tripod over there. Oh man, that must have gone through the trees all the way out to here. One last piece. Here we go. Alrighty, so this is what I managed to find in the rubble. Obviously I couldn't find it all. Look at these are the only corners I've got left. But as you can see up here we've got quite a few edges. We've got 21 complete edges and one broken one. We have all these little pieces here that are just sort of shrapnel. These are 5 bits of the core. As you can see, the core didn't do so well. It just went straight through that. I mean, what do you expect, really? I found 5 of the center caps. I don't know where the red one is, but, you know, what can you do? And finally, we have these 2 fully complete corners. So I suppose they're part of this group. But, yeah, I don't know how I managed to get these 2. They were completely fine. They must have just gone past them and just exploded off. Actually, you can see a little bit of the stickers come off there, but that's alright. So yeah, as you can see, a fair bit of damage, but this was a really fun video. If you guys want me to destroy anything else in a cooler way, let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.